We're getting slower.
Yeah.
Sabrina, remember that big green one?
Boom.
Oh,
Yeah.
the tulip cafe?
Yeah.
Cool.
That one was just that. That
Where's
was
that
pretty big that we just saw.
Yeah. Where's it went all the
Coda.
way up to
Yeah,
our
that
feet?
big, huge one that we saw. That was
One,
ginormous. I love the big ones. Big sounding ones. The destructive ones that will burn down.
Whoa, look at that one. That one almost looks like the bus.
They're probably getting close to the end because they're like slowing down.
Yeah.
They're not as big.
I want to grab one and sound like...
Oh.
Oh, that
That one
was
was cool.
Whoa.
They should shape them to spell out letters like Salem.
Look over there. That was cool.
Didn't they do that in the film?
Or am I remembering?
Well,
Dude,
that
I'm a fast.
Look at that one. That one is
That's a
awesome.
completely different kind of game. Oh, those are cool.
Yeah.
They look really low in
Is that it? Nope.
my eyeballs, but not so much in what I can see from them. Now they're speeding up. Salem Fireworks. Why? Because we rock.
What?
Huh?
You say why? Because we walk
Rock.
or rock?
Thank you for messing up my sound clip, Jude.
Whoa.
She's my favorite pie. Butter. Sleep in the sky. Taste so good, like from the sky. Oh, I guess that's like a really inappropriate song for you. I don't understand why you're singing that.
What?
Grand finale? You think it's so. That one was a big one. Ooh, and it has little sparkles.
Yeah. That one went like
You gotta love the infatuation of giant fireballs exploding in the sky.
They make me giddy. It's making her so cool. It went all the way over Dallas.
Baby, scoot over towards mommy's legs, please.
It was all the way over you.
Because I am pirating this video.
so people yelled out, whoa, that looks like fireworks.
Sabrina, we haven't had a commercial in a while.
Oh, well.
Hey!
No, you can't, because I'm all up in your face. That wasn't a commercial, that was a song. Supposed to endorse somebody.
Whoa, what was that supposed to be?
Okay, so maybe that wasn't the grand finale.
I don't care if these go all night, I'll stay here all night.
Where's it all the way over?
You get bored after a while.
Why does it make a little huge like
I love Look at these things. Have you seen that My Name is Earl where they think the fireworks is like the technology taking over?
Yeah.
Whoa.
My name is Earl. Why? Because it's a great show.
Because it's not a
Watch
good
it
show.
now,
It's the best show.
or we will find you.
Wow.
whoa!
Watch it so that they can see it back. I can't take my eyes off the fireworks.
Watch what?
Some top down AC was cool to on the stud blazing up, top stack on deck, like saving up. You know, see my problem about
Hey, that one looks like I hope these are coming out as cool looking as they are in real life because I'm not getting that sense off the screen at the moment.
Don't watch it on the screen. Watch it in the sky. Are you crazy?
I know, I should have been doing that like forever ago.
Oh, you're like right up in her face.
Touch it now.
Look at that one. Boom!
This public service announcement brought to you by
Boom!
the Gilberts. Stay off drugs. I'm just kidding. The Gilberts don't do drugs.
What?
I messed that up. Whoa, that was awesome.
Whoa.
Those look like candles floating down from the sky. Ew, did somebody just spit
No,
on me?
it's raining.
Ew. Okay, that's okay then.
And Dad, somebody spit on me.
Yeah, I know, me too. I was like, wow, gross.
Holy crap, my phone can record forever.
I know.